Hi, I'm Kelley Brubaker. I'm a CPA and I specialize in helping law firm owners make sense of their firm's finances. But today we're tackling a critical and urgent topic: how to move your bookkeeping data from bench to a new platform like QuickBooks Online or MyCase Accounting. If you've been impacted by bench's sudden closure, I'm here to guide you through this process step by step. First, let's talk about why moving your data promptly is so important. Without access to organized financial records, you risk delays in tax preparation, compliance issues, and losing the insights you need to make smart business decisions. The good news is that with the right steps, you can transition smoothly and set yourself up for success in 2025. Step one is to ensure that you have all of your data. Log into your bench account and download your profit and loss statement and your balance sheet. Also, be sure to download every file in your documents section unless you know you already have those saved somewhere else on your computer. Now, please stick with me here because I know that this next part is going to sound excessive, but I guarantee that your future self will thank you for taking the time to do this now. What's critical is the time period of each profit and loss statement and balance sheet that you download. My first question to you is, how long have you been using Bench? So at a minimum, you want to download every profit and loss statement and every balance sheet for the full year that you were using Bench. When you get to the last year that's a partial year, like 2024, download these reports for every single month in 2024. If you are addicted to data like I am, I recommend downloading your reports for every month that you've been on bench. Again, I know that sounds excessive, but you will thank yourself for doing this. Now, here's a tip. If you're unsure what to download, I've included a checklist in the description below to make sure that you don't miss anything. Next, choose the right bookkeeping platform for your needs. QuickBooks Online is great for general use and integrates with many apps. My accounting firm supports businesses that are in the legal industry. So for law firms who use MyCase for their case management system, we recommend using MyCase Accounting because it's designed specifically for law firms, offering trust accounting and matter-based tracking. If you're not a current MyCase user, but you're curious about it, I'll put my affiliate link in the show notes below, and that will let you try out MyCase for free and no credit cards required. No matter what, be sure to choose a platform that aligns with your business operations. So here's what's next. You're going to want to review your bench reports. Decide if the way they grouped transactions worked for you. And what I mean by this is the level of accounts on your P&L and your balance sheet. When you look at those, did they give you enough detail or way too much? This is important to decide how to set up your chart of accounts in your new platform. Your chart of accounts is simply the listing of the general ledger accounts that will be used to categorize your transactions. In your new platform, set up your chart of accounts to match what you liked from your bench reports. And just know that these are not set in stone. It's not a one and done thing. You can change them in the future. So let's import your data. Now, here's the thing. I know I started this video talking about which reports to download from Bench, but depending on which platform you choose, you most likely will not be able to import those Excel files you downloaded from Bench. But the thing is, you need them for the history of your business, especially if you get selected for a tax audit in the future, or if you need a multi-year history when applying for a bank loan. What I recommend is finding out how far back your bank will let you download data from your online banking account. These days, most will go back 18 months and some go back 24 months. Now, only you can decide how far back you want to start with detailed transactions in your new platform. For me, I would go back as far as I can, but at a minimum, you need to start with the first day of the partial year when you left Bench. Once you have your start date determined, it's now time to import into your new system. You can do this one of two ways. Either connect your bank to your new platform or log into your online banking account and download the file that your new platform is able to import. Now, repeat this step for each bank. Be sure to include all of your deposit accounts, meaning checking, savings, and money market accounts, and all of your debt accounts, credit cards, any loans, or lines of credit. Let the bank feeds sync into your new platform. Take your time with this next step. Go one by one and tell your new platform how to post each transaction into your books. And here's a pro tip. If your new platform offers setup assistance or tutorials, definitely take advantage of those. Now, here's something I want you to consider. If you want data that's older than what your bank is able to provide to you, there is a way to accomplish this through journal entries. If you're unfamiliar with how to do this, it will be well worth spending the money to hire a bookkeeper who is capable to post journal entries that will record the sum of your annual transactions for each year that you want to include in your new platform. Now, after importing, you'll want to reconcile your accounts to ensure that everything matches. Reconcile your accounts on a month-by-month basis from the first month imported to the most recent completed month. After your accounts are reconciled, compare your balance sheet and profit and loss statements to the reports from Bench with those in your new system. Make sure that the time periods match. Look for discrepancies such as transactions in the wrong category or mismatched account balances. If this feels overwhelming, consider hiring a bookkeeper or a CPA to review your setup and ensure that everything is in order. Now that your data is in place, it's time to get familiar with your new platform. Schedule regular bookkeeping sessions for yourself, review your financial reports monthly, and keep your records organized. These habits will save you time and stress in the long run. I hope this guide helps you transition your data smoothly and confidently. Be sure to download the free checklist linked below to keep everything on track. If you'd like more personalized guidance, book a consultation with me. I'd love to help out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might need it. Thanks for watching.